Welcome to Civil Tutor 19. In this lecture, we will be seeing reasoning questions which was asked in SSC JEE 2018. So let's start. Question number 1. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. In this question, we have to find out the question mark in the series. The series consists of 75, 102, 135, 175, and what will come in place of question mark. So the answer is 223. How the answer has come? What we have done, we have subtracted the uh, succeeding number with the two preceding ones. Like 102, we have 102 minus 75, we got 27. Then 135 minus 102, we got 33. Then 175 minus 135, we got 40. uh, and after doing this, we have again subtracted the number 33 minus 27, we got 6. 40 minus 33, we got 7. In this way we got to know the trend. Like 33 minus 27, we got 6. 40 minus 33, we got 7. 48 minus then we uh, then what then 48 minus 40, we got 8. So after analyzing this trend, we have got answer now. We have got answer 223. Therefore the answer is option number 3, 223. Question number 2. If a plus b means a is brother of b, a minus b means a is the daughter of b, a into b means a is the sister of b, a divided by b means a is mother of b. If x plus y divided by z into b minus u, then how is y related to u? The answer is wife. Option number 3. How we got this answer? In this in this question, the plus sign indicate brother, divided sign indicate mother, multiplication sign indicates sister, and minus sign indicate daughter. So after analyzing this, x is x plus, that means plus is brother, therefore x is the brother of y. Therefore x is the brother of y is the mother of z, y is mother of z, y is mother of z, z is the sister of v is the daughter of u. Then we got the relation between y and u as husband and wife. Therefore y is related to u. Option number 3 is correct, that is wife. Question number 3. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number. 5 is to 130, then 8 is to what? We have to find out. If 5 is 130, then 8 is to what? So therefore the answer we got 5 is to 30, 8 is to what? Then 5 is 1 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 4. Then we got 5 is to 4. Then what is 8? In this type of question, we have to search in the options how the answer will we get. Then the answer is 520, option number 2. And how we got 5 plus 2 plus 0 is 7. So from the first 5, as 5 is to 4, then 8 is to 7. Therefore the option is 2, 520. Therefore the answer is option number 2. Now question number 4. Select the letter that can replace the question mark in the following series. This is the series P J question mark A X B. To solve this type of question, first of all we have to write the alphabetical order: A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Then we have to analyze the series. We have to analyze the series from P to J. That is, from P to J, there are five alphabet, and from J, and then we have to analyze from X to A. From A to X. A to X is 2 places, E to A we got 3 places. Therefore, by analyzing this trend, then definitely from J to J to E there will be 4 places. Therefore, the option is number 3 E. Question number 5. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way as the second number is related to the first number. In this question, we have to analyze the relationship between the second number to the first number. The 7 and 147. 7 and 147. 147 is divisible by 7. Therefore, by seeing the option 240, 242, 241, 243, 243 is divisible by 9. So therefore, the option is D. Question number 6. Select the option in which the number are related in the same way are the number in the given set. Therefore, first of all we have to see the question. 8, 88, 96. 88 is the multiple of 8 and 96 is also the multiple of 8. 8 11 is 88 and 8 12 is 96. Then we have to by considering the same relationship we have to find out the options. We have to find out the option. The option number 2, 11 is 121 and 11 12 is 132. And in the question 8 11 is also 88 and 8 12 is 96. Therefore both the relation are same. Therefore the option number 2 is right. 11 121 132. Now question number 7. Select the word pair in which the two words are related in the same way as are the two words in the given pair. Therefore in the question, rupee and dollar. Rupee is the currency of India and dollar is the currency of USA and multiple countries. By we have got the relationship that is they both are the currency, and by considering the relationship in the question, now we have to find the answer in the option. Lira and Turkey. Turkey is a country. Chile is also a country. Iraq is also a country. And by seeing the option number 4, dirham and pound both are currency. Therefore the option number 4 is right. Question number 8. Select the word pair in which the two words are related in the same way as are the two words in the given pair. First of all we have to see the question. Libya and Africa. Libya is a country and Africa is a continent. Denmark, Copenhagen are countries. France and South America. France is a country, but France is in Europe. South America is a continent. Maldives is a country and it is in Asia. Canada is a country. Russia is also a country. Then we have to see the question. Libya is a country in Africa. Therefore, by considering this relationship, Maldives is a country in Asia. Therefore, the option number 3 is right. Question number 9. In the certain code language, Canada is written as DZOZEZ. How will Europe EUROPE be written in that language? Then in this type of question we have to write in this manner. Canada, C we have written as D, A we have as written as Z, N as O, A as Z, D is E and A is Z. Then we have to find out the relationship between C, D, A, Z. C, after C we will get D, and in the second place A, before A we got Z. Therefore we have to apply this relationship in the Europe. E, before E comes D, and after E, T, U, R, S, O, N, P, Q, E, D, U, T, E, D. Therefore the option number 4 is right. Question number 10. Select the letter cluster which is incorrect in the following series: P, Z, N, S, C, Q, V, F, T, Y, I, W, B, L, A. In this type of question we have to find out the incorrect letter in the series. So to solve this type of question, we have to first of all we have to write the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, and then we have to analyze the relationship between the series P, Z, N. in the first PZN we have considered P. In the second SCQ we have considered S. VFT we have considered V. YIW we have considered Y. BLA we have considered B. Then after P leaving two places QR we got S. After S leaving two places TU we got V. Then similarly applying the same relationship, after leaving two places we got Y. And after Y after Y leaving two places Z and A we got B. Then applying the same relationship in the same manner as in the second letter of the series Z, C, F, I, L. Then similarly for applying for N, Q, T, W, A. After W, X, Y it should be Z, but in BLA it is A. Therefore the option number 2 is incorrect. Option number 2 is incorrect, BLA. In the next video we will be seeing the questions of civil engineering. Thank you.